Open the door like that again. Looks like it's going up my nose. Close the door. What is going on? That was this amazing. Oh. By the way, we're in a pantry, a very small pantry. Small pantry. What was that? Are you embarrassed? Oh, it scares me. I feel like I'm gonna be sick from this. I know. Excuse me. I don't even know if that was anything. I don't know either. I look, I'm pretty much done. No, I'm not. Yeah. Done. Halfway done. My voice. If I don't lose my voice, I'm gonna be sad. Maybe I put some whiskey in this. Maybe it'll taste better. Are you really gonna do it? Do you really want me to put it in it? I don't know. I feel like it's gonna make it taste like crap. I'm scared where you go. No, I'll just finish it somehow. I'll finish it somehow. This is really gross. Maybe we should put some tequila in it. It's right there. Tequila. Oh, that feels good right there. It's all cool and it's like hot right here. We were ninjas with straws. Was that you? Oh, okay. Oh, my battle weapon. It's getting hot in here. Oh, I can't do it all at once. I feel like I'm gonna be like all over the place. Ah. There's no more in here. Maybe if I put a straw in there. My voice is really going away. That's scary. I don't want my voice to go away. You heard that right? Yes. You're not crazy. Oh, I was like, what is that wire thing? And then I looked closer. I was like, thing from the towel. Look, it's falling over. Like, we were both like,
Okay, bend over.
this is so nasty. I can't believe you convinced me to do this.
We were both bored.
Yeah, true.
You still hungry?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
We are in the pantry. I just noticed that there's food.
there's mini muffins. And that's pretty much it.
There's goldfish.
Goldfish is good. Goldfish.
Goldfish is good.
Ew. I just randomly found an Avon thing.
Avon. Meow. Meow.
Fishy.
Meow.
Swim into your mouth. I want a goldfish.
Meow.
Oh, look, it's falling again.
Oh no.
And watch my mom be in the morning. How did you lose your voice? I don't know.
I have that much more.
You gotta finish it.
This
I think I
video
got my
is
voice
13
back.
minutes long.
I think I got my voice back. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I love margaritas.
There's margarita. There's like a little frozen thing of margarita. All we gotta do is bring it out here and push it. Let's get the salt. Oh man. Ugh. Look, it fell.
Oh, okay. It fell. Ugh. Margarita salt. La, la, la. I'm almost done. Ah. Ugh, it just tastes bad.
Margarita salt.
Oh, it's falling.
What can we do with a thing of rice? And I'm losing my voice again. My God, it's hot in here. Open the door.
I think that was my knee on this thing.
It sounds like it.
I'm gonna need some water whenever I'm done with this. Almost done.
Almost done. And it's been almost 15 minutes. Should I post the whole thing on there and not edit it?
I don't even know. Oh. Oh.
Oh, you can't even see. Now you're just somebody.
That was disgusting. Don't ever try it. Ugh.
Please try it.